Sanders!
Sir!
I don't see Planet Druidia. Where is it?
We don't have visual contact yet, sir, but we have it on the radar screen. Shall I punch it up for you?
Nah, never mind. I'll do it myself.
Very good, sir.
What's the matter with this thing? What's all that churning and bubbling? You call that a radar screen?
No, sir. We call it Mr. Coffee. Care for some?
Yes! I always have coffee when I watch radar. You know that.
Of course I do, sir.
Everybody knows that.
Of course we do, sir!
Now that I have my coffee, I'm ready to watch radar. Where is it?
Right here, sir.
Switch to teleview. There it is, Planet Druidia. And underneath the air shield, 10,000 years of fresh air. We must get through that air shield.
We will, sir. Once we kidnap the princess, we can force her father, King Roland, to give us the combination to the air shield, thereby destroying Planet Druidia and saving Planet Spaceball.
Everybody got that? Good. When will the princess be married?
Within the hour, sir.
Well, I hope it's a long ceremony, because it's gonna be a short honeymoon.
Hot! Too hot!